So today is starting a little bit later than I would have wanted to. That's due to staying up a bit late, having some drinks at the Cosmo, and I realized last night that I forgot to film the drink that I had. So it was a drink that I actually knew was somewhat famous, the flower drink, and it contains a garnish that is called a Szechuan button. And what happens is you eat this little flower, it causes your mouth to go numb and tingly, and it changes the flavor of the drink. So that was a very cool experience, but I've called an Uber and we are going to make our way for lunch before proceeding with the rest of the day off strip. Okay, so I've made my way over here to Rollin Smoke barbecue for some southern style barbecue. Definitely not a usual sort of food experience that I've had in Vegas, but very excited to come here. They have stellar reviews and I really hope it lives up to it because I am starving. Okay, so we have finally got our food. It looks and smells delicious. So what we have here is a trio of meats: chopped brisket, turkey, chicken with a side of cornbread. Okay, so now we've got lunch done, belly's full. That was really delicious, great food, very high quality, very flavorful. I had a pretty disappointing experience of American BBQ when I was in Texas last year, so I'm very happy that I sort of redeemed that experience. Now I'm taking a short walk over to Planet 13. Now Planet 13 is a very famous, huge dispensary here in Vegas. I don't personally engage in any of that smoking or participating in those activities, but a friend said it's just very cool to see right here, so I thought might as well pop in quickly. Okay, so that was a cool little place just to pop in and see what it's like. It's just a huge like shopping experience for all things leafy green, if I can say that. But it is boiling today. I'm not sure if you can actually see how hot it is. So I really want to get indoors and into the shade. And the next stop is something that I'm very excited for. It is Omega Mart at Area 15. And what Omega Mart is it's basically an interactive art installation that is designed to look like a Walmart store. So you'll see obviously further details when we step in there.
Yeah.